What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Lever Finance or the Lever token. After we just had quite a massive bullish breakout in the last like two candles, so very recently. I wanted to talk about the implications of that. Does that actually mean we are going to get back to our levels at around half a cent and 0.55 cents? Or is this just some sort of a fake out? So let's get right into it now. The thing around Lever right now, like the news, the fundamentals, whatever you want to call it, the thing right now is that they have a big campaign going on where you can actually win some money if you trade. So yeah, a 60,000 USDC reward pool started yesterday. It's up for grabs, and the thing is that, see, this is great news. Usually with great news, if it actually starts, that means that the price of a certain crypto drops down. Now for Lever Finance, that's a little bit more nuanced, because if you actually check out their website, the thing is that if more people are trading, and if you check out their app, if more people are trading, that means there are more fees that are accrued. And that means even though the fees that are generated right now are not that much yet. I mean, the last time I checked this out was around 2 days ago, I think. Then it was around $250, all right? So that's not a whole lot. Total volume traded and total volume locked are also not that high yet. Even though I do think that the future of Lever Finance is bright, but still it's like the total volume is not that much yet. I think definitely not if this is with leverage, which Lever Finance is about. So the thing is that if more trading is being done, which is probably being done by the campaign, that means that more fees accrue to the ex-Lever holders, which you can get if you stake Lever. So that's why the value of Lever increases, and rightfully so, right? But does that actually mean that we're also going to get up even higher? Because even though it increases the value, 100% it does. Does it increase the value this much? I'm not sure. So what I said last analysis is that, all right, we're probably going to stay on top of like 3,500. That's what I always name the prices as. Probably going to stay on top of that. I think we can get back up to the levels around 5,000 and 5,500 if we can get a bullish breakout above 4,300. Because as you can see, that was the main resistance level that we were struggling with overcoming in the previous days, actually. So that was the main thing. Now we've broken above that. I'd say we really need some confirmation. So not only this candle should stay above it, but also the next candle. If that is so if we can actually stay on top of 4,300 for the next, what's it going to be? For the next 6 hours from like when I make this video, which is around 3 p.m. GMT +1. Just this candle and the next one, if we can stay on top of that, then yes, I do think we're going up to 5,000 and 5,500 again. Now, if we don't do that, what's probably going to happen is, like if this candle closes below 5,300 again, then it's a fake out. We'll drop down to 3,800 and start dropping back down towards 35, 3,700, and then from there we might try again, but that's not guaranteed. It's just at some point what's going to happen, like the main support holding us up is 3,500. At some point that's going to break, and if that breaks, we're going to fall down and we're not going to get back up. So even though the fundamentals are great still right now, it's all really building on top of 3,500, and as I said, if that breaks, we're in a world of trouble probably. So yeah, but for now it actually looks pretty good. As I said, I actually do think this is the most likely scenario now that I have actually thought about it. But yeah, that's my take on Lever this Thursday. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.